Hey folks, ready to boost your shoulder strength and build some serious muscle? You've come to the right place. Today I'm taking you on an adventure to discover the best shoulder workouts for everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros. But first, let's talk about why shoulder strength is so crucial. Strong shoulders don't just make you look good, they're key to lifting almost every upper body part. Imagine having the power to lift, pull, and push with ease. All right, let's dive in. First up, we have this move is fantastic for building overall shoulder mass. Start by sitting on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand. Slowly press the weights overhead, then lower them back to shoulder height. Aim for 3 sets of 10. 12 reps. Remember, control is key. No swinging those weights around like you're at a disco. Next, let's talk about the This exercise is perfect for targeting those side delts, giving you that coveted broad shoulder look. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, dumbbells by your sides. Lift the weights out to the side until they're level with your shoulders, then lower them back down. Go for 3 sets of 15, 20 reps. And trust me, your shoulders will be on fire. Now this one's all about the front delts. Stand tall, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Raise one arm straight in front of you to shoulder height, then lower it. Repeat with the other arm. Alternate for 3 sets of 12, 15 reps each side. You'll feel that burn right away. For those who love a bit of variety, the is a killer move named after the legend himself, Arnold Schwarzenegger. This exercise works multiple parts of the shoulder. Sit on a bench holding a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height, palms facing you. As you press the weights overhead, rotate your palms to face forward. Reverse the motion on the way down. Go for 3 sets of 10, 12 reps. It's a challenging move, but the gains are worth it. And finally, let's not forget about this one hits the rear delts. Often neglected, but super important for balance, shoulder strength. Bend over at the hips, keeping your back flat. Hold the dumbbells below you, then lift them out to the sides, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. There you have it, a complete shoulder workout to build strength, muscle, and endurance. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up, these exercises will get you there. So grab those weights and embark on your shoulder strengthening adventure. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing those limits.